Christmas animal hair salon, too. Merry Christmas! Hello! Come back every day to get more coins. Welcome to the Christmas Animal Hair Salon.
Christmas is coming. Help me to get ready. What will you use to take care of my beard? Will you shave me? What will you use to take care of my beard? Take a scissors and trim it. Brush here, please. Trim more. Now curl my mustache. You're doing great. Let's take care of my hair. Take the scissors and cut it. Almost done. I look amazing. Thank you. Now, pick some accessories, please. I love this color.
Welcome to the Christmas Animal Hair Salon. Let's change my style. Spray some water, please. Good. Take the scissors and cut it. You're doing great. Brush my hair, please. Looks nice. I would love to have a tattoo. Very good. Now shake it and spray it. Throw it away. My nails are very sharp. Can you help me? Choose the color you like and paint it. Now decorate it the way you want. Collect your bonus coins. Congratulations! You got a reward. Wow! Welcome to the Christmas Animal Hair Salon. Dress me up, please. Cool! Welcome to the Christmas Animal Hair Salon. Pull the tassel.
Hey, my name is Rudolph. Can you wash me? Shower time. Very good. Now shave it. My horns are dirty. Polish it. Very good. Looks amazing. Good. Now shave it. Good job. I look awesome.
Collect your bonus coins. Welcome to the Christmas Animal Hair Salon.
Hey, my name is Rudolph. Thank you.
Welcome to the Christmas Animal Hair Salon. Pull the tassel. Can you wash my legs? Great! Now rinse the soap off. Ooh, shaving cream! Very good! Now shave my legs. Nail time! Choose the color you like and paint it. Good! Now shave it. Thank you. Now please do my hair. Now let's add some color. Very good. Shampoo time. I love water. Let's dry my hair. Red is my favorite color. Use mascara for a false lash effect. And lipstick, of course. I love my new hairstyle. Thank you so much. Collect your bonus coins. Congratulations! You got a reward. Wow! Welcome to the Christmas Animal Hair Salon.
Hi, find the best costume for me.
Super! Fantastic! Nice sunglasses! Fantastic! Welcome to the Christmas Animal Hair Salon. Pull the tassel. Hi, I need a new look. Very good. Now wash the soap off. Super! My coat is very wet. Will you clip my fur? Collect your bonus coins. Now let's try different hairstyles. I prefer straight hair. Choose the color you like and paint it. I love this hairstyle. Congratulations! You got a reward. What? Welcome to the Christmas Animal Hair Salon. Hi, choose the best outfit for me, please. I look great. Fantastic. Gorgeous. Great! Welcome to the Christmas Animal Hair Salon.
Ho, ho, ho! Dress me up for Christmas.
Welcome to the Christmas Animal Hair Salon. Let's make some ice cream for customers. Hey! Perfect!
Hey! Yes!
Hello. I love it.
Hey! Perfect!
Hello. I love it.
It's getting harder! Welcome to the Christmas Animal Hair Salon. Collect all the presents. Help me sort the presents. Let's start.
Thank you!
Yes! Yes!
Thank you! Thank you!
Cool! You did a good job! Welcome to the Christmas Animal Hair Salon. The more you play, the more presents you get. Welcome to the Christmas Animal Hair Salon. Christmas Animal Hair Salon, too. Merry Christmas!
Hello.